Welcome to Varial HQ. You're probably here because you dinged your board and are looking to get back into the water ASAP. In this video, we'll teach you how to repair not just Varial, but any kind of surfboard using mostly household materials in minutes. This process is recommended for minor holes and cracks that can occur from accidental collisions. We do not recommend this for structural repairs like brakes and buckles. The first thing you'll want to know is what kind of foam core and resin your board was constructed with. If you're unsure, you can contact your surfboard's retailer, manufacturer, or shaper for that information. Varial foam and polyurethane foam, or PU cores, are both safe for use with polyester and epoxy resin. Expanded polystyrene, or EPS boards, are only safe for use with epoxy resin. If you use polyester resin on EPS, it will melt your board. You've been warned. For your repair, you're going to want to use the same type of resin your board was manufactured with. If you're in a pinch and have no idea what to use, go with epoxy. The things you'll need for this repair are SunCure or Solarez. This is available for purchase online and at most surf shops and can be found in both epoxy and polyester formulas. Masking tape, cellophane or plastic wrap, sandpaper, rubber sanding block, paper towels and rubbing alcohol, and you might need a wax scraper and a box cutter knife depending on the status of your ding. Start by scraping away any wax or dirt. Cut any damaged fiberglass away, opening it up so resin can permeate into the foam and the surrounding fiberglass. Make sure the ding is completely dry and clean any remaining dirt or oils with a paper towel and a very small amount of rubbing alcohol. Next, prep sand around the ding with a coarse grit sandpaper. 180 grit is ideal. Sanding around the ding will allow the resin to form a mechanical bond. Carefully wipe away any dust with a clean paper towel. Cut out a piece of cellophane wrap that is big enough to cover the ding with a few inches to spare around the perimeter. In a well-ventilated area, away from sunlight, apply just enough Solarez to fill the ding. Tape the cellophane tightly over the Solarez in the surrounding area, being mindful to avoid trapping any air bubbles under the cellophane. Next, bring your board out into direct sunlight. On a sunny day, 10 minutes of sun exposure should be sufficient. On days that are cloudy with low light conditions, allow the board to cure for 30 minutes to an hour. For a clean finish, sand down the patched area with 220 grit sandpaper first, and then again with 320 grit sandpaper. Using a little water during the sanding process helps create an excellent finish. If you're less patient, just sand down the area until you're satisfied with the surface feel. And just like that, you're ready to get back out in the water. For bigger dings that need structural repairs, we'll have a more in-depth repair video coming soon. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching and see you in the lineup.